How's it going, guys? Last time I talked about finding elements in reference types. So I realized that it becomes a large function. So what, what I'm gonna teach you that how we can sort in that function with arrow function. So how are we gonna do that? You know, first we're gonna remove this function name and put remove that too, remove this too, curly braces, and remove this return. Instead of that, we're gonna use equal arrow. If it doesn't have any any parameters or arguments, so we can use this empty parameter. But if it had, so we can do this, which what it is before course. So how are we gonna read that? Course fatar funcs to course dot name equals b. So it doesn't make any difference. It is the same function. So you can see that too, yeah. And one thing more, it only available in ES6 though. But don't you worry, your browser is now supported ES6, I think. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you guys next time.